Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be teaching you how to sew two types of hairband. So I've cut the hairband now. This is two fabrics for the hairband. So I'll be using 19 inches. This is 19 inches as you can see by 8 inches. The breadth will be 8 inches, but then I'll be using more than 8. But I'm going to cut it. Depending on how you want it to be, but then I'll be using 19 by 8 inches on fold. So yeah, I've gone to my machine, I've sewn it. As you can see, I've sewn it. But for the first type of band I'll be sewing, I left 1 inch at the right hand side and 1 inch at the left hand side before sewing it all through. I left the space so that I'll be able to join it together. So here I am trimming the edges. So when I trim the edges, I'll turn it to the other side. After turning it to the other side, I'm taking it to my machine to stitch. So if I want to stitch it, I'll make sure the right side is facing the right side. After turning it to the other side, I'll place the right side, the edge of the right side facing the right side. Then I'll go and sew all through. You see how I'll carefully sew it. Now I'm on my machine. I want to show you how I'm going to sew it all through. See me placing the right side facing the right side from the edges. I open it up, so I'll take it to my machine, carefully place it together, then I'll go to my machine, then I will sew. I'll sew through. After sewing it carefully, I will stitch the edge, but just make sure you leave 1 inch. It's not more than 1 inch and it's not less. If it is less, you might not be comfortable sewing it all through. And if it's more than 1 inch, you might have the edges, the finishing might not be neat. You can see I'm turning it now. After sewing it, I've turned it this side. You can see the space that is left. So just make sure the thread you are using to sew it is pink so that it won't show. And you can decide to use needle and thread to sew it. So as you can see, that's the 1 inch I left. Is now smaller. If you use more than 1 inch at the edge, it will be bigger than that. So that's all for the band. So yeah, this is the second type of band I'll be making. This is the knotted type of band. So I've sewn this one. I don't need to leave space at the edge. I sew everything all through. Here I am cutting the excess fabric. So I'll turn it to the other side. After turning to the other side, I'll straighten it. You can see I'm smoothing it. I don't want to use iron because it's a stretchy fabric. So after smoothing it, I'm going to find the middle. So I'll place it at the back. So I joined it, place the sides together. After placing the sides together, I'll look for the middle. So I'm going to leave space from the middle. I will separate it. How you can see I'm separating it. So I'll turn it. The first part I'll turn it to the back, and the second part I'll turn it to the front. You can see. Then I'll go to my machine and I'll stitch edge. That's all. The band is so simple as you can see. You can sew a lot and you can start selling it. You can turn it to a business. You can have different colors of it. It is very easy to sew. So this is me in my machine showing you step on how to sew it. So remember that I fold it. Make sure that place that has the sewing line is at the back. So you turn it facing the front, then you place it right side facing right side, then you look for the middle, then you make sure you put the first part fabric to the middle, then you turn the first part to the back, the right side to the back, then the left side to the front. As you can see how I do it in this video, look at this video carefully so you won't make a mistake. So you go to your machine, then you stitch it all through. So after stitching it, that's basically all. You are going to notch the edges. That's basically all for this type of band. You can make it in different colors. Very easy to sew. And thanks for watching. If you have any question, kindly ask in the comment section, and kindly like this video if this video is helpful to you, and kindly subscribe for more because we'll be giving you a lot of sewing content and you're going to love it. Very easy to sew. Let me know what you think about this hairband. You can rock with it any clothes, any cloth of your choice. So these are the two types of hairband. The second type of hairband is mostly the type of hairband you use for bonnets. So this is it, 19 inches. Make sure what you are using is a stretchy fabric if you want to be comfortable. So yeah, I am rocking the fabric, the bands. So this is the two types of band. You can basically rock with any clothes. So guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and kindly subscribe to this YouTube channel for more content. And if you have any question, kindly ask in the comment section. And if you find this video helpful, write it in the comment section. I'll be there to answer everybody's question. Bye.